अनुशासन का पालन करना सदैव कड़वा होता है, लेकिन इसे प्राप्त होने वाला फल सदैव मीठा होता है. With this, a very good morning to each and everyone. My name is Lakshmi Behra. So first of all, I want to know that discipline is important in our life or not. Write in the comment box. So today I am here to deliver a short speech about importance of discipline. जो अनुशासित नहीं है, उसका न वर्तमान है न भविष्य. Discipline is a key to success. It is a vital part of our lives. We should maintain discipline everywhere. Discipline means following the rules and regulations. If we will maintain discipline everywhere, then we can get the respect from the society. It is the most precious thing in our life. We should maintain discipline everywhere, for example, in our school, college, and etc. In every school, the teacher teaches one thing, that is discipline. And it is the most precious and wonderful thing in our life, that it is only for the students to maintain the discipline in the school and in anywhere. Lastly, I would like to tell that सामान्य और महान ये दो चीज में फर्क सिर्फ अनुशासन होता है. With this, I sign out. Thank you for giving me a chance to speak some lines on importance of discipline.
बिना पंप का साइकिल नहीं, बिना पेट्रोल का स्कूटी नहीं और बिना पहाड़ों में घूमने से जीवन में कोई मजा नहीं. With this, I like to sign in that most wonderful good morning to one and all present over here. My name is Bhivanshu Srichandan Sahu and today I am going to speak some lines about mountain. Mountains are of different types: volcanic mountain, fault mountain, fault mountain. Fault mountains, the mountains which formed due to the crash of two tectonic plates of earth are known as fault mountains, such as Aravallis and Himalayas. And fault mountains are the mountains which are known as also block mountains and formed due to the block type of abbreviation of the mountains, such as the middle part goes down and the two parts become the mountains. And the next is volcanic mountain, which forms due to the deposits of lava, magma, molten, etc. and forms as the obsidian for going to nether portal. Thank you for giving me a chance to speak some lines about mountain.
Good morning, one and all present over here. I am Shraddha Shonan Sahu. Today I am going to speak about dreams. Dreams are not just what we see while sleeping. Dreams are the purpose of work hard and never give up. It pushes towards grow, learn, towards our goals and our hopes. Dreams are a great person. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam believes that a dream is the first steps towards the success. Dreams, so let's dream big to believe that we can achieve our goals that we have planned for our future. Dreams are the big. We should believe in ourselves to achieve, and every dreams can come reality. Thank you for giving me a chance to speak about dreams.
Good morning everyone. My name is Deepak Kumar Jana. Today I am telling my speech about English PM Institute. English PM Institute is located in Canal Road, Baragarh. It is a very good institute. I also study in this institute. Institution conducts the tuition, spoken English classes, computer classes, etc. And there are 4 trainers between the institute. The 4 trainers for one English spoken English classes, 3 for tuition, and 1 for computer classes. The spoken English is conducted by the Pawan sir, and the tuition is conducted by the Ganaranjan sir, Soyan sir, and Subham sir, Balram sir. The spoken English classes are very much as well, and it is also developing. And also the computer classes. There is a very much good quality education in the spoken English PM Institute. There will be a weekly test. There will be attention to the weaker students and etc. The English Medium Institute is also occur the occasion the student of the month and student of the year. In the student of the month, the winner of the month is declared at the end of the month, and the student of the year who will be done in very good ways and done the excel etc. the very well manner, he will be the winner of the student of the year. Every students are excited also for the student of the year and student of the month. But so my prefer is that be join the English Medium Institute. Thank you for giving me a chance to deliver my speech about English Medium Institute.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sajnati. Today I am standing here to say about my family. My family is a small family. There are 5 members in my family. A father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, and me. My father is head of our family. He works in a private office. My mother is a teacher by profession. We gathered at the dinner time. Thank you so much to give me a chance to say about my family.
Good morning everyone. My name is Salanandini. Today I am tell about my dream. My dream is to be doctor. I will help sick people. I want to save many lives. My dream is to be open hospital. I will give some patient medicine. Thank you so much to give me a chance to say about my dream.